I'm going to tell you how I recreated this logo from fairy.freak on Instagram. First, I just put a random shimmer all over my eye to give it some color. Going in with the Lens X Glisten Cosmetics palette and the back end of my brushes. Shade-wise, for blue, I used a minimum effort. For green, I mixed together both shades of Toot. For pink, I used the shade Strut. Yellow is Chilling, and purple with Nostalgia. Somehow cut out all of the purple. Anywho, for the black liner, I'm using my favorite e.l.f. eyeliner. If you've watched any of my videos, you know I love this eyeliner. I'm going around the spots that I had made and just creating random lines. Some of them are going to be connected, some are not. Each one I'm going to try to make different. When I say I had to speed this up, I mean it. Like, I was so slow in this part. Now I'm going to do a wing. Yes, I covered up some of my work, but I liked it. It kind of blended in better to me. I don't know. But I'm going to fill in that wing the whole way across the top. I'm doing some liner and some eyeshadow on the bottom, blending that out. And then I also used the shimmer eyeshadow I used on the top, some mascara for the bottom, and the top lashes. I somehow forgot to record the lashes being put on, but oh well. I used these black lashes that have a little bit of pink in them because I thought it was fun to pull that in. I love the way this turned out. It definitely is not as good as the original. If you are looking for some good makeup artists, go follow fairy.freak on Instagram. They're so insanely talented. But yeah, that is all. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye!